Hey everyone! Welcome back to Beastly Ventures. Today, we're diving into one of the most electrifying videos Mr. Beast has ever created. 50 YouTubers fight for $1 million. Buckle up, because this is going to be a wild ride. If you haven't seen it yet, trust me, you're in for a treat. So, let's set the stage. Mr. Beast, known for his jaw-dropping challenges and epic giveaways, has outdone himself this time. He's gathered 50 YouTubers, each with their unique styles and fan bases, to battle it out for a massive $1 million prize. And let me tell you, the stakes have never been higher. The video kicks off with an exhilarating introduction. Imagine walking into a huge venue filled with 50 of the biggest names on YouTube. The energy in the room is absolutely electric. You've got vloggers, gamers, and challenge enthusiasts all gearing up for what promises to be an unforgettable competition. Mr. Beast's challenges are always designed to push the boundaries, and this one is no exception. The contestants face a series of trials that test their physical strength, mental acuity, and teamwork. But what's really impressive is how Mr. Beast manages to keep the competition engaging and fair throughout the entire video. The first challenge is a perfect example of Mr. Beast's creativity. It's not just about who's the strongest or the fastest, but who can think on their feet and adapt quickly. In this case, we see the contestants engaging in a high-stakes game that tests their endurance and strategy. It's amazing to watch how different personalities come into play. Some are calm and collected, while others are visibly stressed. One of the highlights of this video is the variety of challenges. Each one is designed to be both entertaining and physically demanding. Whether it's an endurance test or a strategic game, there's never a dull moment. The way Mr. Beast balances excitement and difficulty keeps viewers glued to the screen, and it's a big part of why his videos are so captivating. Let's talk about the challenge where contestants have to work in teams. This is where things get really interesting. The alliances and rivalries start to form, and you can see the strategic maneuvers happening in real time. It's fascinating to observe how these YouTubers, who are usually seen as solo performers, collaborate and sometimes clash as they fight for the grand prize. What makes this video even more engaging is the personal stories that come through. Mr. Beast does an excellent job of showcasing the contestants' backgrounds and motivations. You get to see the genuine emotions and the pressure they're under, which adds a layer of depth to the competition. The personal stakes are high, and it's clear that this isn't just about the money. It's about proving oneself and achieving a dream. Speaking of personal stories, there are a few standout moments where contestants open up about what winning would mean to them. These moments are both heartwarming and inspiring. You can really feel the passion and determination in their voices, which makes the whole experience even more compelling. Of course, it wouldn't be a Mr. Beast video without some epic moments of humor and drama. There's a particularly hilarious segment where describe a funny or unexpected event. It's moments like these that remind us why we love Mr. Beast's content. He knows how to mix humor with high-stakes challenges, creating an unforgettable viewing experience. As the competition heats up, the tension becomes palpable. Each challenge is more intense than the last, and you can see the exhaustion and determination on the contestants' faces. It's a roller coaster of emotions, and Mr. Beast masterfully builds suspense with every twist and turn. One of the most gripping parts of the video is the final few challenges. By this point, the competition is fierce, and every move counts. The contestants are giving it their all, and the stakes couldn't be higher. It's a true test of endurance and mental strength, and watching it unfold is nothing short of thrilling. And then, we reach the final challenge, the moment we have all been waiting for. It's the ultimate test, and the energy is through the roof. The last few contestants push themselves to the limit, and the suspense is almost unbearable. It's a dramatic and exhilarating climax that showcases why Mr. Beast is a master of creating unforgettable moments. When the winner is finally announced, it's an emotional and triumphant moment. The reaction is priceless, and you can see the relief and joy on their face. It's a testament to the hard work and dedication they put into the competition. For the winner, it's a life-changing moment, and for the viewers, it's a satisfying conclusion to an epic journey. Overall, 50 YouTubers fight for $1 million is a testament to Mr. Beast's ability to create high-stakes, engaging content. The variety of challenges, the personal stories, and the blend of excitement and humor make it a standout video. If you haven't seen it yet, I highly recommend checking it out. It's an experience you won't want to miss. That's all for today's video. If you enjoyed this deep dive into Mr. Beast's latest epic challenge, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe for more content, and leave a comment below on your favorite moment from the video. I'd love to hear your thoughts. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.
That's not going to be the case.